Investing in the right mattress is an important step to getting great sleep, and no one makes mattresses like we do. So what makes a Tempur mattress so special? Tempur material was born from NASA technology, first used to cushion astronauts. We then spent decades developing that original invention into our groundbreaking Tempur mattress. Our mattress was originally designed for the medical and healthcare sector, giving pressure-relieving comfort and support to those who need it. We then developed it even further to perfect it for great sleep, and that changed the game.
This heritage has really helped us create a foundation for setting very high goals for performance and quality, because that's our starting point. And we have been building on that heritage ever since.
Today, it all begins in our state-of-the-art facilities in Denmark. We start with a 30-meter block of unique Tempur material, which is then cut into layers to create different mattress feels that cater to your specific needs for comfort and support. Finally, we wrap the mattresses in soft and easy-to-clean covers. Once finished, each final mattress is sent for quality control.
We continue to look for opportunities to improve the quality, and every mattress and pillow are tested on 67 different parameters.
Our mattresses are certified to the highest standards of health, safety, environmental and technical excellence.
Over the years, seeing that these people are performing together as a team, that's the most inspiring thing that I see every day.
We are so dedicated and so passionate about what we do. We want to do it right, we want to deliver on our promises, and we want to help improve sleep for more people all over the world.
And nothing beats that feeling the moment you lie down on a Tempur mattress, relieving pressure points from sensitive areas and reducing tossing and turning. And with less than 3% motion transfer across your mattress, you and your partner can rest undisturbed.
My youngest once said, "I don't want to go out because I want to make sure that I can stay on the mattress." So it's the whole family. We are really Tempur lovers.
That's why we are #1 in customer satisfaction in multiple countries around the world, helping you sleep better, longer, deeper.